I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problem Solving.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp22 Word Capstone Intro Culinary. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Please hire me for your weekly assignments, hire me for your weekly quiz, and hire me for your complete course. I will provide you A+ grade in your all assignments, all exams, and complete course. I am handling many students' courses from USA, Canada, and many more countries on Pearson, Blackboard, Cengage, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Okay, focusing on the title of assignment, Exp22 Word Capstone Intro Culinary. Okay. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now moving on question number 1. You can see this question number 1. Start Word, download and open the file name Exp22 Capstone Intro Culinary Documents. Okay, Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Word file from Pearson Lab dashboard. You can download this file from Pearson Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file. You can see this my file. I have downloaded this file from my Pearson Lab dashboard. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. Okay, now moving on next question. You can see this my Word file. Now moving on question number 2. Okay, if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Question number 2 is that display non-printing characters. Select all text and change column to 1. Basically in this question we will first display display non-printing characters and select all text and change column to 1. Basically in this question we will display, sorry my laptop was off, that's powered off, that's my battery was low. Now you can see on my PC screen. First we will display non-character. You can see this, go to the paragraph groups and then click on non-printing characters. Now select all text and change column to 1. First we will select all text and then we will change column to 1. You can see this, select all text and change columns to 1. Select all text. Moving on Word file, first we will select all text. Okay, and then go to the layout group, layout tab, and then click on column and then click on 1. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on next question. I have done 2 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 3. In question number 3, move to the end of documents and press enter. Insert text from culinary text.documents. Okay, move to the end of the documents and then press enter. Then insert text from the culinary text.document. Moving on Word file, first we move to the end of the documents, scroll down and then move to the end of the documents and then press enter. Okay, then insert text from. Okay, we will insert the text from Culinary text documents. We will insert the text here. Go to the insert tab, click on text from file, and then we will insert text where you saved in your PC in your folder. Click on Culinary text and then click on insert. Simply click on insert and then text will be inserted in here. Okay, now moving on next question, question number 4. I have done 3 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 4. In question number 4 you can see this question first. Change the bibliography style to MLA. Select all text and change the font to 12 pt times New Roman with line spacing of 2.0 and no paragraph spacing before or after. Basically in this question, change the bibliography style to MLA, and then we will select all text and change to the font to 12 pt times New Roman, okay, with the line spacing after 2.0 and no paragraph spacing before or after. You can read this question and then moving on Word file, and I am going to apply this. Change the bibliography style to MLA. Click on references, click on reference tab, and then simply click on bibliography style in the okay, and then select MLA. Now select all text and then change the font to 12 pt. Now we will select all text first and then we will change the font size to 12 pt times New Roman with the spacing of 2.0 and no paragraph spacing before or after. Moving on Word file, and then we will select all text first. Okay, scroll up, select all text, go to the home tab and then change the font to 12 pt times New Roman. Go to the home type in the font group and scroll down and then select, here is Times New Roman is style, and then font size to 12 pt. Okay, right click on this and select 12 pt. Okay, 12 and then with line spacing of 2.0 and no paragraph spacing before or after. Okay, go to the paragraph group and then line spacing 2.0 and spacing before or after, no spacing before, or go to the again paragraph group and then before and after 0 pt. Okay, then click on OK. No spacing after and before. You can see this. I have done 4 questions. Now moving on question 5. Change the margins to normal. Modify the heading 1 style to black, text 1 font color, 14 pt times New Roman and bold. Basically in this question we will change the margin to normal. Then we will modify the heading 1 style to black. Okay, heading 1 style to black, text 1 font color, and 14 pt times New Roman and bold. You can read this instruction and see on my PC screen. I am going to applying on this my Word file. Change the margin to normal. Moving on Word file and then go to the reference tab, go to the layout tab and then go to the margins in the page setup group and then go to the custom margin and then click on, sorry, 1 second, go to the margins and then simply click on normal. Okay, first we will go to the layout tab in the page setup group, click on margins and then simply click on normal. Okay. Now modify the heading one style to black text one font color. Okay, go to the home tab and then modify this. Heading one style to black font color. Here is black font color, black text font color, and then 14 point size, new Roman and bold, and then click OK. This is good. Now you can see this. I have done this question very well. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Now moving on, question number 6. Change the document's theme to facet and change theme's color to orange. Delete the horse return above the culinary arts and the food and beverage industry heading. Find the text culinary arts foundation and bold it. If theme is not available, click browse for theme and then select the download themes file facts. Okay, you can read this instruction. Okay, this question is that basically this question, change the document theme to facet and change theme's color to, go to the design group and go to the themes and then select theme to facets. Okay, this is good. Now then change theme color to orange. Then we will change the theme color to orange. Now we will change the theme color to orange. Go to the theme color and then select, scroll down and then click on orange. Okay, this is good. Now delete the hard return above the culinary arts and the food and beverage industry heading. Delete the hard return above the culinary arts and food and beverage industry heading. We will select this. Okay, delete this. Find the text culinary arts foundation and bold it. Find the text culinary arts and then go to the home tab and then click on bold. Simply we will find this and then simply bold it. Culinary arts foundation and then go to the home tab and then simply click on bold. We will select first this culinary arts foundation and then bold it. Okay, this is good. Now moving on next question. I have done this question. Moving on next question is question number 7. Insert a situation after the quotation mark and before the period at the end of the sentence on page 1 that begins with the culinary arts foundation. The situation is to an article in a periodical. Okay, the author is Jordan Baker. The title is Culinary Excellence and the publication is Southern Digest. Date the July 14, 2024 and page are 30-41. Okay, date is July 14. Okay, the volume is 18 and then issue is 2. You can read this question first. Basically this question is a situation after the quotation mark and before the period at the end of sentence on page 1 that begins with the culinary arts foundation. First we will insert a situation after the quotation marks the Culinary Arts Foundation. Go to the find, and then we will find the Culinary Arts Foundation, and then the question is true. An article is a periodical. Go to the reference tab and then insert questions. Okay, article is a periodical, and then author is Jordan, and then author is Jordan Becker. The title is Culinary Excellence. The order is Jordan Becker. Jordan Becker. The author is Jordan Becker, and then the title is Culinary Excellence. Culinary Excellence. The title is Culinary Excellence. Excellence. Okay, and then the publication is a Southern Digits. Show all bibliography feeds, and then publication. Publisher is Southern Digits Digest. Okay, the date is July 14. Date is July 14. Okay, you can see first I have a tab of sources, article in a periodical. Okay, author is a Becker Jordan. Okay, title is a Culinary Excellence, and then publisher is a Southern Digest, and then now month is July 14. July 14, 2024. Day is 14, month is July, day is 14, and then the year is 2024. 2024 is year, and then page are 30 to 34. Page are 30 to 34. Page are 30 34. You can enter here 30 to 34. Okay, and then volume is 18, and the issues is true. Issues is true, then click on OK. Okay, this is good now. Now moving on next question. I have done this question very well. Now moving on question number 8. Added the Becker citations on page 1 to include a page number of 35. Okay, added the Becker citation on page 1 to include a page number of 35. Okay, page number of 35. Added select this Becker's on page 1, include the page number 35, and then we will include the page number. Right click on this and then edit citation is okay 35. This is good now. Now moving on question number 9. Convert the art of culinary. Convert the art of culinary arts heading to what art? Selecting fill orange accent color 1, shadow row 1, row column 2. Change the font size to 14 and wrap text at the top and bottom. Position the word out at an absolute position of 2 to right of column and 1 below top margin. Okay, first we will convert the art of Culinary arts heading to word art. Moving on, word file, convert the art of. First we will select this text, the art of Culinary artist. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not ever do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A+ grade. Okay, convert the art of Culinary arts headed to word art, selecting fill orange accent color 1 shadow row 1 column 2 to word art. Select first this text and then go to the insert tab and then go to the word art, go to the style group and then apply word art orange accent 1. Okay, now change the font size to 14 and wrap text at the top and bottom. Go to the home tab and then go to the font size and 14 font size. Okay, then go to the shape format and then go to the wrap text and then click on top and bottom. Then position the word art and absolute position of 2 to the right of column and 1 below top margin. Position the word art and the absolute position of 2, go to the position and then absolute position is 2, and then absolute position is 2 to right of column and 1 to right of column and 1 below top margin, right of column and 1 below top margin. Right of column and 1 below top margin. Here is absolute position is 1 and then top margin. Okay, this is good. Now moving on next question. I have done 9 questions of this assignment right now. Moving on question number 10. In question number 10, find all occurrences of percentage and replace them with percent. Percentage and then replace them with percent. Find the first occurrences of the word segments in the document. Delete the colon following the word and the space, insert an em dash. Okay. Find all occurrences of percentage and replace them with percent. Go to the home tab, go to the find and replace. In the editing group, find is that percent and then replace them with percent. Find is that percent sample and then replace them with percent. Okay. Go to the replace all, click on. You can see all done. We made 7 replacement and then close it. Of word segments in the document, find the first occurrences of word segment in the documents. Go to the find and then we will enter segments. You can see the segments and close it. Now we will select this word segments. Okay, we will select this word segments and then insert an em dash. Okay, insert and em dash, go to the insert tab and then click on symbol and then more symbol, and then we will find special characters and then select em dash and then simply click on insert. Insert and em dash. Question is completed. Now moving on, next question is question number 11. In question number 11, place the insertion point at the beginning of the document and insert a 5-point star shape approximating 1/2 inches by 1/2 inches. Remove the shape outline from the star. Change the height to 0.5 inches and the width to 0.5 inches. Position it at the absolute position of 0.6 to the right of column and 1 below the top margin. Basically, in this question, first we replace the insertion point at the beginning of documents and then insert 5-point star shape. You can read this question. Please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. First we will place the insertion point at the beginning of document. Moving on Word file and then place the insertion point. Beginning of document is here, and then insert a 5-point star shape approximating 1/2 by 1/2 inches. Okay, now we will insert a 5-point star shape. Go to the insert tab and go to the shapes and then 5-star shape. Here is start 5-point shape is here, then insert, simply click on this. Okay, and then approximately 1/2 by 1/2 inches. 1/2 by 1/2. Okay, go to the size and then 1/2 over 1/2 means 0.5 inches. Okay, this is good. Now where is 1/2? You can set 0.5. Now remove the shape outline from the star. Remove the shape outline from the star. Go to the shape formats and then go to the shape outline and then no outline. Now change the height to 0.5 inches and the width to 0.5. Change the height to 0.5 inches and the width to 0.5 inches. Go to the width and also this is, you can see this is also set up height and width. Position it an absolute position of 0.6 to the right of column and 1 below the margin. Okay, moving on Word file. Moving on Word file and then click on layout and then click on shape format and simply click on position and then layout and then absolute position of 0.6 to the right of absolute position 0.6 and then to the right of column 1 below the top absolute position 1 and then top margin. Okay, this is good. Now question is done. Now moving on, next question is question number 12. I have done 11 questions of this assignment right now. You can see on my PC screen. Now moving on question number 12. In question number 12, duplicate the star and move it into the right side of the word dot banner, positioning it an absolute position of 5.3 to the right of column and 1 below top margin. Okay, duplicate the star and move it into the right side of word dot banners, positioning it an absolute position of 5.3 to the right of column and 1 below the top margin. Basically, in this question, first we will duplicate the star and move it into the right side of word dot banner. Okay, please follow my video and you will done your assignment by watching this video. Duplicates. First we will duplicate and move to the right side of word dot banner. Position the absolute position of 5.3 to the right of column and one below of top margin. Okay, now we will move it to the go to the position and then more layout position and then absolute position 0.6. Sorry, position is 5.3. Okay, position is 5.3, absolute position is 5.3. We will set 5.3 is here, then right of column and one below and go to the absolute position of vertical is here 1, go to the top margin. Okay, this is good. Now moving on, next step, next question is question number 13. I have done 12 question of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 13. You can see this question number 13. Group both stars and the word dot banner. Ensure that text wraps are the top and bottom of the group shape. Group both stars and the word dot banner. Ensure that text wraps at the top and bottom of the group shape. Basically in this question we will first group both stars and the word dot banner and then we will ensure if text wraps at the top and bottom of the group shape. Okay, simply both star group, click on first star and then simply press Ctrl and then click on second star. Okay, both star will be grouped. Okay, both star will be grouped. Simply click on first star and then press Ctrl and then click on second star and both star will be grouped. Then ensure that text wraps at the top and bottom of the group shapes. Ensure that text wraps at the top and bottom of the group shape. We will select this text and then select stars and then group shape, go to the wrap text and then simply top and bottom. Okay, this is good. Now you can see this, I have done 85% of this assignment. For remaining question and if you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please follow my video and like my video and please subscribe my channel. I will help you in the future. I will upload a complete course. Please hire me for your weekly quizzes, hire me for your weekly assignments, hire me for your exams and hire me for your complete course. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Sandwich, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities and schools. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.